welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the cheesy bean dip from the Trejos Taco Cookbook. The ingredients we're going to need are 1 16-ounce can of refried beans, 1 cup of a Mexican style shredded cheese, a half of a cup of room temperature softened cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of pickled jalapeno juice, 1 tablespoon of diced pickled jalapenos, 1 tablespoon of cotija cheese, some of your favorite hot sauces as a garnish, and some chips to serve it with. But to get started, we need to move over to the stove and start warming up our refried beans. To start the bean dip off, we're going to add our 1 can of refried beans to a small saucepan and gently warm these over medium heat for about 5 minutes or until they're completely warmed through. Once you have your beans thoroughly heated, go ahead and start dropping your cream cheese in a spoonful at a time, being sure to thoroughly incorporate it after each addition. Once you have the cream cheese thoroughly incorporated into the beans, go ahead and lower the heat down to low and slowly start stirring in your cheese. Alright, now that I have all the cheese combined, I'm going to add in the pickled jalapeno juice and my 1 tablespoon of diced pickled jalapenos. I'll go ahead and get these stirred in, and then all we have left is to plate this up and give it a try and see what we think about it. I've got the cheesy bean dip all plated up, and I did go ahead and finish it off with that cotija cheese, as well as a little bit of the hot sauce and a couple of extra diced jalapenos. So let's try this out, see what it tastes like. Overall, this is a really good bean dip. I like the little pops of the pickled jalapeno in here. It gives it just a slightly different taste than your average bean dip. This came together so fast, probably under 5 minutes. So if you're looking for something super quick and easy to do for your next party, I highly recommend you give this one a try. Well, that's going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.